Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a problem of Roblox not installing on your PC. So it's pretty simple. You want to first search for this. Search for Windows Firewall Defender like this. Once you search for Windows Defender Firewall, you want to click on Windows Defender Firewall. It's going to take you over here. And from inside here, you're going to see the option called Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it. Now this is basically a system which Windows has to protect you from virus. So what I will suggest you to do is first click on Turn Off Windows Defender. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, install Roblox. And after you finish installing Roblox up, come to this setting again and go over here and make sure it's on again. Because this protects you from virus. So having it off is going to cause you a lot of harm in the future. So just install Roblox and turn it on again and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is not fixed, then you need to do this. Over here on your search, you want to search for run. Over here, you want to search for %appdata%. Once you search for it, you want to click on app data at the top. And then you're going to see the option called local. Click on local and from over here, search for Roblox. Once you see Roblox, click on Roblox. And inside over here, you will see Roblox launcher.exe. Now I don't have it, but in your case, you're going to have it over here. So you need to click on Roblox launcher.exe and a Roblox will launch. Sometimes the installer doesn't work, so you need to do this. But if you've done the first step of turning off your firewall, it should probably work. And if it still doesn't work, then Roblox servers might be down, which means it might be a problem with their server. To check if their servers are online or not, you can do this. Just search for Roblox down detector. Once you search for Roblox down detector, click on the first one and it's going to show it. So it says user indicates no current problem at Roblox, which means Roblox has no problem, so their server are online. So by doing this, you can check if their servers are online or not. And if they are not, then the only thing you can do is wait until they're online again so you can start playing it. I hope you understand how you guys can fix Roblox not installing on your PC problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.